Ever heard the term CDL B and wondered what it actually means? Let me break it down for you. A CDL, or Commercial Driver's License, is what you need if you're planning to drive commercial vehicles. But what's the B all about, right? Alright, so CDL is split into different classes, A, B, and C. Each has its own set of rules and vehicles it covers. Now, CDL B is a pretty popular one because it allows you to drive things like straight trucks and big buses. Imagine sitting behind the wheel of those big yellow school buses or delivery trucks. That's CDL B territory. The cool thing about a CDL B is that you can operate vehicles that have a gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, of 26,001 pounds or more. But there's a catch. The trailer must weigh less than 10,000 pounds. If you're thinking of hitting the road with a bigger trailer, you might need to look into CDL A instead. Now, getting a CDL B involves a few steps. You gotta pass a few tests, both knowledge and skills-based. It's like getting your regular driver's license, but with a bit more oomph. You learn about driving safely, handling these bigger vehicles, and loads of other important stuff. You'll also need to pass a Department of Transportation physical exam and provide a clean driving record. This ensures you're physically fit and responsible enough to safely operate a commercial vehicle. It's all part of keeping the roads safe for everyone. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. Navigating through these requirements can be a bit tricky. That's where Moving Authority comes in. We're here to make things easier for you. Whether you need help with paperwork or understanding all these rules, we got your back. Ever wonder why someone would go for a CDL B instead of A? Well, it's all about what you plan to drive. If you see yourself driving big passenger buses or delivering goods around town with bigger trucks, then CDL B is probably your best bet. And here's a fun fact. Having a CDL B can open up a bunch of job opportunities. Companies are always on the lookout for skilled drivers to handle their fleets. So, if you're thinking about a career change, this might just be your golden ticket. So there you have it. Whether you're dreaming of driving the city buses or those massive delivery trucks, understanding CDL B is your first step. And remember, if you need help along the way, Moving Authority is here to guide you every mile of the journey. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Thanks for tuning in and see you on the road.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.